Claude has just dropped one of the craziest features I ever seen. Right now you can allow your Claude to control your whole desktop. Actually, this is not a new thing. Already Microsoft tried to do that by computer using agency. So what actually happened is like a lot of people didn't like by using Windows or allowing their computer to be managed by agency, and there's a lot of backlashes, so they didn't even deploy it. So right now we are seeing that a lot of people actually like it when Anthropic actually deploy it, even though Anthropic, they are security minded persons, but a lot of things also could go wrong. Right now, let me show to you how you can enable this technology, and then we're gonna go about security and how you can safely use it. First of all, you're gonna come into the settings, and then after you come to the settings, you're gonna come into here actually, general. After that, you will see here a toggle. This is the computer use. This is actually, then you're gonna toggle this computer use and enable it. So actually he is saying Claude will take a screenshot and control your mouse and keyboard. You will approve each app but not confirm each step Claude performs. Keep in mind, some action can be undone. Apps you approve could open other apps that you haven't approved. Websites and the documents could contain a malicious instructions, and that is also what you call it, prompt injection. It's one of the problems of AI. So close anything that's sensitive before you use this thing. I'm gonna just turn on, and then you have to allow here Claude actually accessibility. You have to allow in your Mac and give it some kind of accessibility. Also, they will provide this feature. Right now it's provided by Max and Pro and the Max plan, but it will be provided in Windows, I think, in next couple of weeks actually. So after that, right now we toggle on, and then we can use it. One of the interesting things I really discovered was you can use even in dispatch. You can contain. I was testing in dispatch, so using dispatch actually you can use it and control your phone. Let me show to you right now. I'm gonna make him take some actions on my computer. So let me show to you in my phone. So guys, for the sake of simplicity, we have right now here our phone, my phone. So I'm gonna show to you what actually happening. Okay, let me just right now enter here and then just prepare this thing so we can see actually what happening in our computer. So I'm gonna tell him, I want you to go into my Finder and then get some the file that actually call it Cloud Workspace build. Take that file, open it, and then list me what this file actually contains. So use the computer use in order to do that. And then I'm gonna shoot that image and let us watch what he actually capable of. I don't have access to your Finder. Oh, this is a regular chat, so I just mistaken. Let me just use a dispatch. Okay, and then even though he told me you have hit the limit, so I resetted it. First of all, use computer use in order to open my Finder. After you open my Finder, take the file actually that call it Cloud Workspace rebuild. Open that file and list what actually that existed that file right now. Then I'm gonna shoot this image and let us watch it, him doing all these things together right now. So first of all, if you see, he taking a screenshot about my computer, he minimized that thing, and right now it tell me, hey, you have to allow this thing. In my phone here, if you see guys, for the sake of simplicity, I'm gonna allow him to take that action specifically in this session. And there is, right now if you see here, he opened the file Finder actually, and then what he gonna do? Wow, this is crazy. And actually it's also more quick. He controlled my cursor and then hop over about the desktop actually, and then he's gonna search, I think, the file name. Actually, it's also a little bit slower because it should take some kind of a screenshot and then go some kind of a loop around it, and that will be take a little bit slow. But it is very interesting thing how right now this technology actually is evolving. Every time he open the folder, he find the file folder actually, and then he gonna open, and then he gonna just list it. So does he gonna just list the all folders, or just the he listed it here, if you see. Okay, if you come back here and just let me just close this thing and also close this thing. If you see here in my right now, you can see he listed the project and the areas and archive and link them, system, kit and everything. So right now, using those two things, you have the ability to actually live on your computer and then, you know, like use it wherever you are. So I think this is gonna help a lot of people actually. Let me just show to you what also security concerns this thing also has, not just this thing. Let me just show to you. The cloud is actually trained to avoid any stock trading, or you know, like putting sensitive data, and also gathering, scraping official images. One of the things that also they disable it is letting him use your Safari. Okay, he does not use your Safari in order to just, you know, like scrape your data or see your activity, your browser activity. And also they recommend you do not give computer use permission access to sensitive apps also, and start with tasks like a research or organizing rather than just a complex multi-steps. So one of the things also I like it is they created a app permission. So cloud asks before accessing each application under some sensitive apps. So, and also you can add also app blacklisting and prevent a cloud for accessing certain apps by adding them to a blacklisting. And also action review. So our system scans for signs of prompt injection when cloud uses your computer. So cloud will ask a permissions before accessing new applications, even though still the technology is not there, you know, like still the malicious is there, and they can just they are also evolving their tools in order to make it more comprehensive, and still it is evolving. But you have to take your care when you are allowing Claude Code to control your computer.